In today's show, breaking news, Bitcoin jumps past $59,000 as PayPal launches their crypto payments at 29 million merchants. That's right, as you can see right here, Bitcoin nearly touched $60,000 this morning after PayPal confirmed that it has formally launched crypto payments. I'm going to be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also, as Document Bitcoin points out, Bitcoin is now larger than the Canadian dollar. Let's go BTC. And checking out the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, he tweeted, "No paper money / fiat currency these past 300 years has escaped a 99% loss in purchasing power and universal basic income, and modern monetary theory won't stop paper money from becoming worthless either. The problem is with the money itself. Bitcoin fixes this." Touche. Also in today's show, do $100,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin call options signal a bullish Bitcoin price path? Well, that's the million-dollar question, as derivative exchanges now offer between $100,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin call options. But how keen are the pros to take the bait? I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, $1 million is set to flow into the crypto market starting in April, says Mike Novogratz. That's right, in a new interview with Reuters, the Galaxy Digital founder Mike Novogratz believes that $1 trillion are about to be injected into the crypto sector. What does this mean for the Bitcoin price? I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin breaking out now above $59,000. Ethereum and most of the major altcoins are in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, it is going down tomorrow, March 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern, Teeka Tiwari's next live event entitled Crypto's Next $1 Trillion Coin. Back in 2016, Teeka picked Bitcoin at $428, which went on to become the world's first $1 trillion crypto. For those of you who listened to Teeka back then, you're now up 120x. If you missed the boat, not to worry, because Teeka now believes he discovered the next $1 trillion coin, and he's going to be revealing it for free during this live event. To register and RSVP, click the link right down below. It'll take you here. Simply enter your best email address and click the button that says sign me up. Now, here are some of the bonuses you'll receive for registering. It's going to include a 3-part strategy session entitled How to Profit from the Crypto Boom of 2021 by Teeka Tiwari. You'll notice these strategy sessions already live and for you to access right away. And another bonus is get free access to content from his Palm Beach Confidential Crypto Corner, which is valued at $2,500. So go ahead and take advantage of these bonuses. Click the link right down below, and I look forward to seeing you on this live event. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. Breaking news, Bitcoin jumps past $59,000 this morning as PayPal launches their crypto payments at 29 million merchants. That's right, Bitcoin neared $60,000 this morning on March 30th after PayPal confirmed it has formally launched cryptocurrency payments. And right here on your screen, you're looking at the Bitcoin 1-minute candle chart. According to PayPal, crypto is now officially a legitimate funding source. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin hitting a 10-day high on Tuesday as details appeared to the mainstream press. Now, according to an exclusive report from Reuters, PayPal is set to release a formal announcement later today in which it will unveil its long-awaited cryptocurrency payment feature for U.S. customers. The company caused a stir last year when it confirmed its venture into cryptocurrency, with the rollout ultimately set to extend to all users and 29 million merchants. Quoting them right here, "This is the first time you can seamlessly use cryptocurrencies in the same way as a credit card or debit card inside your PayPal wallet." President and CEO Dan Schulman told Reuters, while PayPal will not focus solely on Bitcoin, Bitcoin price action reacted favorably to the reports, passing February's prior all-time high of 58,300 to manage 59,200 at this time. A look at the order book data from Binance showed that sellers still lined up between current spot price and historic highs of $61,700, and continuing, PayPal referenced a watershed moment for cryptocurrencies in general, with Schulman describing them as a legitimate funding source. "We think it is a transitional point where cryptocurrencies move from being predominantly an asset class that you buy, hold, and or sell to now becoming a legitimate funding source to make transactions into the real world at millions of merchants," he added. We also have statistician Willy Woo, who says Bitcoin is heading to millions of dollars. That's right, among the most bullish long-term forecasts this week was that from statistician Willy Woo, who in an interview said that a single Bitcoin would ultimately become worth millions of dollars. I agree 100%. I feel Bitcoin will cross the $1 million million mark in 2025. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. Quoting Willy Woo right here, there's no way that Bitcoin is going to stop at the market cap of gold, which is $10 trillion. It's going to go a lot higher, which means that we're going to be going into the millions of dollars per Bitcoin, he told Real Vision's Laura Shin. We also have Peter Brandt, the veteran trader, who was also featured in a now widely circulated comment that said he had completely changed his perspective on Bitcoin. Quoting him right here, my mindset has changed from Bitcoin as a trade to Bitcoin as a measure of wealth, he shared. That's right, I covered this in a previous episode. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. Now checking out the latest from Documenting Bitcoin, who shares that Bitcoin is now larger than the Canadian dollar. So congratulations Bitcoin, and congratulations to all BTC hodlers. You can see the Bitcoin market cap surpassed $1.12 trillion, where the Canadian dollar is currently at $1.12 trillion. And before I break down the latest wisdom from Max Keiser, as well as do $100,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin call options signal a bullish Bitcoin price path, as well as $1 trillion to flow into the crypto market starting in April, which is only like 2 days away, says Mike Novogratz. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin up almost 2% for the day, now trading above $59,200. I'd love to see Bitcoin retest that all-time high of about 61,000 and break out to new territory, potentially 77,000, which is Max Keiser's short-term Bitcoin target in play. We have Ethereum up 3.3%, trading above $1,840. We have Binance Coin up 9%, trading just under $300. And as you can see, most of the altcoins are currently in the green with a few in the red. All right, now let's check out the latest wisdom from Max Keiser. No paper money / fiat currency these past 300 years has escaped a 99% loss in purchasing power, and universal basic income and modern monetary theory won't stop paper money from becoming worthless either. The problem is with the money itself. Bitcoin fixes this. I couldn't agree more. Max Keiser's year-end target for Bitcoin is $220,000. Let me know if you agree or disagree with his bullish forecast. And before I break down our next two stories of the day, first let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just under $1.9 trillion, which I believe is a new all-time high, with $133 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance back on the decline at 59% even, and the current Bitcoin market cap sitting above $1.1 trillion. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100. Holy moly, DREP, never heard of it, but it is up 7,400% in the past 24 hours and almost 11,000% in the past 7 days, now trading just under $3. We have Holo up 33% for the day and 106% for the week, trading at 1.5 cents. Dent up 24%, trading at 1.2 cents. And Thorchain up 16%, trading at $7.27. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have BTMX down 17%, trading at $1.69. Harmony down about 8%, trading at about 19.5 cents. Arweave down 5%, trading at $27.33. And Hedera Hashgraph down about 5%, trading at 39 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 72 in greed, which is the same as yesterday. Last week was a 66, and last month a 55 in greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. The open interest on Bitcoin December 31st call options between $100,000 and $300,000 reached an impressive 6,700 contracts, which is currently worth $385 million. These derivatives gives the buyer the right to acquire Bitcoin for a fixed price, while the seller is obliged to honor the price. One might think that this is a great way to leverage a long position, but it comes at a cost and is usually quite high. For this right, the buyer pays an upfront fee known as a premium to the call option seller. For example, the $100,000 call option is currently trading at 0.164 BTC, equivalent to $9,480. For this reason, options traders seldomly buy these options by themselves. Therefore, longer expiry derivatives usually involve multiple strike prices or calendar months. Now, shown right here on your screen is an actual trade arranged by Paradigm, an institutional investor focused over-the-counter trading desk. In this trade, a total of 37 Bitcoin, December $100,000 and $140,000 calls have been traded between two of their clients. Now, unfortunately, there's no way to know which side of the market maker was, but considering the risk involved, one could assume the client was looking for a bullish position. By selling the $140,000 call option and simultaneously buying the more expensive $100,000 call, the client paid $138,000 upfront premium. The amount represents their max loss, which takes place at $100,000 price on December 31st. Now, the red line on the above simulation shows the net outcome at expiry measured in BTC. Meanwhile, the green line displays the theoretical net return on June 30th, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, thus, the client needs Bitcoin to trade at 65,600 or higher on June 30th to recoup their investment. This number is significantly lower than the 107,000 required for the break even if this call spread strategy buyer holds until the December expiry. This phenomenon is caused by the $100,000 call option price appreciation being larger than the $140,000, while the Bitcoin price increase to 65,600 is quite relevant for a $100,000 option with 6 months left. It is not so much for the $140,000 one. Now, countless strategies can be achieved by trading ultra bullish call options, although the buyer doesn't need to wait for the expiry date to lock in the profits. Thus, if Bitcoin happens to increase by 30% in a couple of months, it makes sense for this call spread holder to unwind their position. As shown in the example I shared above, if Bitcoin reaches $75,000 in June, the buyer can lock in a $23,000 net profit by closing the position. While it's exciting to see exchanges offering massive $100,000 to $300,000 expiries, these figures should not be taken as precise analysis-backed price estimates. Professional traders use these instruments to conduct bullish but controlled investment strategies. Also want to point out, during a bull market like this, no need to get greedy and trade with leverage. Some of these communities allow 120x leverage. You will get liquidated. I repeat, you will get liquidated. So when trading derivatives, and especially when using leverage, express extreme caution. So there you have it. You have been warned. And before I break down our final story of the day, $1 trillion to flow into the crypto market starting in April, says Mike Novogratz. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 730 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also have a daily letter that goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram as I am, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Galaxy Digital founder Mike Novogratz believes that $1 trillion are about to be injected into the crypto sector. In a Reuters Digital Assets Week interview, Novogratz says as traditional financial institutions begin to offer cryptocurrency products, baby boomers, or those currently between 55 and 75 years old, could start dabbling in the space in April. How many of you are baby boomers watching this right now? If you are, comment right down below and let me know. He goes on to share, it could be as much as $1 trillion comes over the next year from that giant group of wealth. The money will start coming in early next month. We're only a couple of days away from April, so let's go, shall we? The former hedge fund manager says Bitcoin is especially enticing for people who are concerned about the consequences of the growing money supply. Quoting him right here, if you're worried that the US is printing too many dollars, you're going to shift some of your savings into Bitcoin. That's right, money printer continue to go. Novogratz's prediction echoes that of digital asset titan Grayscale Investments, which foresees a massive generational transfer of wealth hitting the cryptocurrency market. While Novogratz sees baby boomers putting their money directly into the crypto markets, Grayscale predicts that when the younger generations inherit their wealth, large swaths of that money will inevitably end up being invested into cryptocurrency. Quoting him right here, approximately $68.5 trillion in assets are expected to be handed down from baby boomers to Generation X and millennials in the next 25 years, and multiple studies show that these younger generations are much more likely to invest in digital currencies. The math on that one isn't hard. Touche. Now, Novogratz predicts a $100,000 Bitcoin price by the end of this year. I covered this in a previous episode a few weeks ago. As you can see in this headline, crypto bull Mike Novogratz dramatically increases his Bitcoin price forecast for the end of 2021. Now, giving you some of the highlights right here, it feels like we're going to consolidate a little bit here in this $50,000 area, caught between $42,000 and $60,000. But then the next big leg up is to $100,000, and that wouldn't surprise me at all if we crack $100,000 by the end of the year. That's right. In November 2020, Novogratz predicted predicted that Bitcoin will hit $20,000 first and then $65,000, and we're on the cusp of hitting that second target. Novogratz also adds that he believes the older investors will likely get into the Bitcoin revolution soon, quoting him right here. You know what surprises me? I'm saying that you know where I was in November, but the adoption I'm seeing is shocking, and it's not like I'm just guessing. I'm looking behind me, in front of me, and seeing all these new projects that are coming, banks that are going to issue products for their wealth management businesses. Every big bank in America is working on a wealth management product, and so we're going to get into the baby boomers sooner than I would have thought. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with his $100,000 Bitcoin price prediction by the end of this year. Now for a quick recap, what I covered with you right here in today's show. Breaking news, Bitcoin jumps past $59,000 this morning as PayPal launches its crypto payments at 29 million merchants, which is a pretty big deal. Also, as I shared from Document in Bitcoin, Bitcoin is now officially larger than the Canadian dollar. Let's go BTC. Also in today's show, I shared the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, as well as do $100,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin call options signal a bullish Bitcoin price path. Also in today's show, I talked about $1 trillion to flow into the crypto market starting in April, says Mike Novogratz. I also broke down his $100,000 bullish Bitcoin price prediction by the end of the year. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, it's going down tomorrow, March 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern. Teeka Tiwari's next live event entitled Crypto's Next $1 Trillion Coin. He picked Bitcoin back in 2016 when it was trading at $428, which went on to become the world's first $1 trillion crypto. And if you would have listened to him back then, you'd be up 120x. But if you missed the boat, don't worry, because Teeka believes he discovered the next $1 trillion coin, and he's going to be revealing it live tomorrow during this live event. To register an RSVP, click the link right down below. It'll take you here. Simply enter your best email address and click the button that says sign me up. Once you do, you'll notice there's some free bonuses for you to take advantage of, including his 3-part strategy session entitled How to Profit from the Crypto Boom of 2021. You'll notice these videos already live for you to access, so go ahead and take advantage of it. And another bonus he's giving away is access to his Palm Beach Confidential Crypto Corner, which is valued at $2,500. So to take advantage of these free bonuses, go ahead, click the link right down below, register. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.